Today, we discover the preferred coffee sales model for excellent entrepreneurs. That's the robot Ano coffee vending machine. Robot barista working 24 小时, as a day brings you a new experience. Equipment configuration upgraded version of the grinding machine set. Commercial brewing system, professional extraction, coffee taste mellow. Steam frothing for silky smooth milk foam. Coffee and steam are operated at the same time without interfering with each other, resulting in continuous and efficient production. Factory direct sales, no worries after sales. Contact us if you are interested.